Horn? We have a horn. The horn worked. Listen. Beautiful. We've got some sunshine. Nice and bathed. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Well, oh look. Oh look. At long last, a lethal 6-volt battery's arrived. So it comes like that. You pull that vent off apparently, and you open these, which is where you used to put your distilled water in the olden days. But now apparently you pour this in it, which is presumably a combination of acid. Oh yeah, sulfuric acid full batteries, danger. So I've got my gloves on and I'm wearing glasses. So we take this, we put this in there, and then presumably we squeeze that in there. It says to neutralise any spills with baking soda, but I think water would be just as good. Anyway, just out of interest, because I've got some old baking soda. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice fizz. To anything more. Positive, negative. Will it explode? Oh look, we have a green light, which I think means it's charging. I don't know if you meant to pull these out or not. Can't remember. I'll put them in loosely in case they blow out. Don't think they will. I don't think it'll settle down. So I'm getting an indicated 6.6 volts. So I'm going to call that charged. It was gassing, so charge the battery. Next job, make a couple of leads. Dodgy wiring. But anyway, today could be, I said could be, spark day. I'm going to make up the connections, connect the battery, clean the points, just see if we can see a spark. If you can see a spark, it's 90% of the job. But of course, as always, the gunk fest that will be that carburettor. And if it's anything like the tank, it's going to be bad. Double shrink wrap. Okay, just for clarity, I did check with the multimeter before I put the battery on that when you operate the key, it closes the circuit, and when you take the key out, it opens the circuit. So at the moment, it should be open circuit. So before we check for a spark, should be able to see if there's any life in the lights or anything, if I can figure out how to turn them on. Inserting the key. Sort of. Right, turning the key. No sign. Indicator. Nothing. Left or right. No indicator. No headlight. Okay. Oh, we have life. There's a headlight. Oh look. None of the other positions work, but for some reason or other that does. I'm guessing that's main beam. Oh, and we got dip. So we've got dip and main beam. That's a start. We have an indicator. One indicator at the front. One indicator at the back and a tail light. Anyway, we've got some lights here, look. Off, on. Don't know what those mean. Is one of them neutral? Oh yeah. That one's neutral. Presumably that's ignition. Just remember that there is an adjuster there. Yeah, the brake light's actually on, look. Watch. So We've got a brake light, that switch needs adjusting. Horn? We have a horn. The horn worked. Listen. Beautiful. Okay, that's enough then to tell me that we can go for a spark test. Well, so far I have to say it's a great success. All we've got is one indicator bulb blown. They're easy to get. So let's see now though, the key thing, can we get a spark without cleaning the points? That would be something, wouldn't it? So will we see a spark? Ignition is on. Didn't see anything. Ladies and gentlemen, a spark. It's not big, it's not clever, but there is a spark. I don't know if that's showing up, but try again. So after the initial spark, we've lost the spark, so possibly the coil's burnt out, which could happen, or maybe the points have moved. I don't know, let's have a look. They are opening. Okay, so the first couple of kicks we got some sparks, but since then nothing, so I think a component is failing. So I've got a coil, I've got a new lead, I've got a cap, I've got a new spark plug, so we'll try out and see what happens. The problem seems to be that I get a spark for a few kicks when the bike's been left for a couple of days, then it stops. So I wonder if it's the actual coil that's breaking down when the ignition's left on. So I have a new coil, different coil. Nothing to lose by changing it. I'll just test it first and fit that and see if that makes any difference. We've got about 1.9 ohms, sounds about right. 1.9 ohms ish. No shorts. So we've got 7.5k from that coil and 7.5k from that coil, so that looks good. Okay, so here's located the original coil. Here's a replacement. Yep. And I'm also going to replace this HT lead. So we've got a rubber washer, a metal washer, a cap and a sleeve. A 7.5. It's going up a tiny bit because of the, presumably because of the resistance of the lead itself, but not much. So I'm pretty sure that means that's properly connected, of about 13,000 ohms, 13 kilo ohms, whatever. Let's just see. Right, the cap's on, the coil's there. The cap. Looking for about 13k. Oh, yeah. 12.3, 12.4, that's okay. 12.4. The old coil seems to be okay. It says on it DDR, GDR, PDA, 6 volt. Deutsche Democratic Republic. Brilliant. But I'm not sure if that's oil leak or whether that's just where I've been spraying oil to clean it. I'm guessing it's just WD-40. Yes, a spark. Now we did have a spark earlier, but it tended to disappear after a couple of kicks. So let's see if I can have a few kicks where I still keep getting a spark. Spark or no spark? Yes. 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 Will the new plug spark?